can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at general cryptocurrency market. All coins have been pumping over the last 1 week. Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, currently trades around $74,000. Ethereum has rallied above $2,200. It's safe to say good times are returning back to the cryptocurrency market. The $1 million question is altcoin season around the corner? We have school of thoughts. Bullish market participants believe we're getting towards altcoin season. Market participants, they are bearish, believe we're just in a fake out. We're just repeating the fractal from 2022. In this video, we take a look at general cryptocurrency market. We look at Bitcoin dominance, total crypto market cap. Where are we heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? Should we start stacking more altcoins right now? Is the market giving us an exit? Should we be selling the pump? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Let's start with sentiments in the cryptocurrency market. Last month, we saw record levels of extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, there's still extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, but there's a slight improvement. Optimism is slowly returning back to the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin, the king of the market, still stuck around $70,000+. We have seen Bitcoin get to as high as $126,000, but you can clearly see optimism slowly returning back to the cryptocurrency market. And over the next few days and the next few weeks, guys, I expect to see altcoins continue pumping to higher prices. Sentiment got to the extreme with a lot of market participants saying we're going to continue dumping to Goblin Town. There's no chance in hell that we're going to pump. Altcoins are going to zero. And historically, that has been a good time to buy. Historically, that has been when the turning point has come. If you look at what Bitcoin has done, if you look at what Ethereum has done, they have finally broken above a range when we have been stuck over the last 6 weeks. For Ethereum, currently trading around the $2,272 level. Ethereum is at a very crucial point in time. The next key level for Ethereum, guys, will see us pumping towards the $3,000 level. The next important level for Ethereum will be us rallying towards $3,400. And for Ethereum to pull such move, you see a lot of market participants start FOMOing. For Ethereum to pull such crazy move to the upside, we're going to see Ethereum pump by 45%. And historically, these pumps can happen very quickly. Historically, these pumps can happen in the twinkle of an eye. If you look at what Bitcoin dominance have been doing over the last few weeks, over the last few months, Bitcoin dominance has just looked like it has been on the edge of a big dump to Goblin Town. I've been on the opinion since June of 2025 that Bitcoin dominance has started declining because Bitcoin dominance was in 66% in June of 2025. Right now, Bitcoin dominance is at 59% region. My base case will be like Bitcoin dominance dumping towards the 50% region or maybe even lower than that. That's how low I believe Bitcoin dominance will go over the next few weeks and the next few months. And for Bitcoin dominance to go there, guys, I believe the altcoin market is going to have a great time. The altcoin market is going to outperform Bitcoin. And if you look at Ethereum's performance against Bitcoin, Ethereum is actually doing better than Bitcoin since April of 2025. We've seen Ethereum bounce hard against Bitcoin. Ethereum is currently up 75% against Bitcoin since April of 2025. I will not be shocked, guys, if Ethereum continue outperforming Bitcoin later into 2026. If you look at the total cryptocurrency market cap, it sits around the $2.5 trillion level, with a lot of market participants saying we're overvalued, we're dumping to Goblin Town. I strongly believe worst case scenario, we'll see a 702 retracement, we'll see a rally above $3.27 trillion. Best case scenario, total cryptocurrency market cap could easily be making its way back towards $4 trillion, maybe even to a new all-time highs. We have some school of thought that believe we're repeating what we did in 2022, that the market is just having this fake counter trend rally that we saw in 2022, where we saw the general cryptocurrency market pump by around 43% before we eventually dumped to Goblin Town. I beg to differ, guys. I don't believe that's what's happening right now. But even that's what's happening right now, if you get a 43% pump to the upside, that will see the total cryptocurrency market cap almost getting to that $3 trillion level. And at that key point, a lot of answers are going to be had. A lot of questions are going to be answered then, whether we're back in the bull market or whether we're getting a cold ass retracement. I don't think the market is going to repeat exactly the same pattern, 2 bear markets in a row. I strongly believe we are favored to have upsides. I strongly believe we could also see the total cryptocurrency market cap even get to as high as $5 trillion over the next few weeks and the next few months. But it depends on the king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is pumping to new all-time highs, then expect total crypto market cap to conveniently pump to new all-time highs. But there's that school of thought that also believe that Bitcoin might not pump to new all-time highs. Bitcoin might just get to as high as $108,000, maybe $109,000, while the altcoin market pumped to new all-time highs, while the altcoin market has its own time in the sun. And historically, when that has happened, that has been a telltale sign to run for the hills. I believe the market doesn't end when market participants are in extreme fear. The market cycle doesn't end when there's high level of pessimism in the market. As a matter of fact, the inverse is the truth. Market participants always have extreme level of optimism, extreme level of greed. That's when you want to say the party is coming to an end. For us to get towards the $107,000 level for Bitcoin, we need to see Bitcoin rallying up by more than 45% from where we're currently trading right now. Right now, Bitcoin has crossed the $74,000 level. I would expect to see altcoins outperforming Bitcoin as we continue rallying to higher values if we take a look at liquidation data in the cryptocurrency market. And over the last 24 hours, a lot of bears are getting liquidated right now. A lot of market participants have gotten used to shorting the market, just expecting to continue going down infinitely. The last 24 hours has seen 91,000 traders getting liquidated, with the total liquidation coming in around $342 million. The largest single liquidation order happened on Bitfinex. A trader lost $6.93 million betting on lower prices. Right now, he got liquidated because we got higher prices. Remember, guys, you are playing the game right here. The game is to buy as low as possible, and the game is to sell as high as possible. Right now, we are seeing higher prices. Don't be shocked if the next few days you see FOMO increase in the cryptocurrency market. Cryptocurrency market is very, very volatile, and that volatility acts in both directions. After huge dumps, after accumulation, we usually see big pumps to the upside. I don't think this time is different. How has Bitcoin performed in Q1 of 2026? This turning out to be one of the worst quarters for Bitcoin, but right now Bitcoin is making amends. Bitcoin is recovering. Bitcoin is still down 15% in Q1 of 2026. Ethereum is still down 24% in Q1 of 2026. But the good news is that on a monthly time frame, Bitcoin is up 10% over the last 1 month, and Ethereum is up a whopping 14.92% in the month of March. And if you take a look at the meme coin market, one of the most important sector in the cryptocurrency market, the next few days is going to be important. You see a lot of memes having big pumps to the upside. I believe Dogecoin, PEPE, Shiba Inu, Bonk, all having double-digit gains over the last 7 days is no coincidence. If you look at the last 7 days in the top 10 meme coins in the cryptocurrency market, double-digit gains across the board. Floki is up 11%, Pippin is up 14%, Poku Penguin is up 15%, Bonk up 13%, official drop Donald Trump coin up 32%, PEPE up 13%. The meme coin market is going to be pivotal. General meme coin market cap is at $32 billion. I strongly believe it can easily go to as high as $300 billion. Meme coins are going to be pumping front, left, and center. But you have to have a plan. You don't just have to rush into any token, guys. You have to have a plan. You have to execute that plan, and then you'll be shouting kumbaya in the nearest future. If you look at the altcoin season index, right now we're not in an altcoin season, but we're getting there. The altcoin season index is heading towards altcoin season. I will not be shocked if in no time we see us shouting kumbaya as we get to altcoin season. But for us to get to altcoin season, guys, 75% of the top 50 coins have to perform better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period. Right now, they're not doing better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period. Bitcoin is still down 13% over the last 90 days. But slowly but surely, I believe altcoins are going to outperform Bitcoin. Even on the monthly time frame, a lot of these altcoins are down bad against Bitcoin. But when the market gets moving, you know the altcoin market is where the party is at. We're extremely fierce gripping the market. I expect to see news stories start changing into positive, bullish stories. We saw over the weekend former British Prime Minister saying he thinks Bitcoin is a Ponzi scheme. He thinks Bitcoin is heading towards zero. At the same time, big whales are buying. Michael Saylor is accumulating record levels of Bitcoin. A lot of market participants are accumulating altcoins. Historically, when they say Bitcoin is dead, you want to be buying. When they say Bitcoin is the future, we are going to the moon forever, you want to be selling. Let's look at some news stories going around the market over the weekend. USDC market cap nears a record $80 billion. Bitcoin beats stocks as strategy hints at a $776 million buying potential. MicroStrategy has not slowed down. He's been buying, Bitcoin whales are starting to accumulate again at $71,000, and the Clarity Act of 2026, the odds of it passing in April, the odds are extremely low. I believe we'll start seeing more bullish stories over the next few days and the next few weeks. An analyst here is saying altcoin season is dead, expect shorter cycles and violent rotations. Historically, guys, when you start hearing altcoins are dead, Bitcoins are dead, Bitcoin is dead, we're not going to go to higher prices, the cryptocurrency market is going to dump to Goblin Town, usually that's a counter trend indicator. That is actually a time you should buy, because for the prices to be down, for them to start saying altcoins are dead, for them to start saying Bitcoin is dead, that's those analysts saying Bitcoin and altcoins are dead. Maybe, just maybe, they are losing hope, but then that's always when the market recovers and start pumping to higher prices. Venue protocol hit by $3.7 million supply cap attack. Aave to launch Aave Shield after $50 million token swap mishap. The trader lost around $49.5 million trying to swap $50 million. You could only get, I think, less than $500,000 from that swap. Australia warn of AI influencers as Gen Z crypto ownership hits 23%. US ban on stablecoin yield could see others fill the void. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. We're having a green day. We're having a green week. Hopefully, we're having a green month in the altcoin market. Which altcoins are you buying? Where do you see Bitcoin heading to over the next few days and the next few weeks? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.